Problem 1, journal is completed, journal was completed, ledgers were completed, and we are now up to our last moment where we will calculate the sum. For any accountant, maybe the student or maybe professional accountant, this is the most amusing or most disappointing moment, because when you have done so much work, like you have done these sort of journal entries, a jungle of journal entries, and then again a jungle of ledgers, so many ledgers you have made, and I think hundreds of amounts have been posted over here, calculation, and then you have made your trial balance. And if this sum of both sides is equalized, that would be the most beautiful moment for any accountant, maybe student, maybe professional accountants. So let's have the sum and grab the moment. Hopefully we will enjoy it. Sum of credit side we will take, and I'm getting help from the Excel. Whatever amount is present on credit side, I'm asking Excel to take the sum. So here you have sum of credit side, which is 49440, and we will be doing the same, taking sum of debit side as well. Now sum of debit side as well, wrong cell was chosen. So here you are choosing all the amounts present on debit side and taking the sum. Okay, first I will have to see 494400, 4944400. Okay, thankfully the balance on debit side is equal to the balance of credit side, and I'm just committing you a statement that nothing has been altered, nothing has been edited, nothing has been rectified, and it is purely a first hand work without any editing work, without any rectification, without any change of amount, without any change of journal. Our balance is correct accordingly. So it's a good thing, it's an enjoyable thing for any accountant to work like that. Okay, balance is now equalized. It means our target has been achieved. We have completed our trial balance as well. So 3 steps we were supposed to complete. As at start of question we had said we will make journal. Journal is completed, and then we said we will make ledgers. All ledgers are completed, and then trial balance, and complete trial balance has been made, and balance of trial balance is also completed. Here you can mention that it is total of trial balance and highlight it. So this way all steps are completed. We have solved complete problem number 1, and we will be meeting again for the solution of any other problem. Up till then, please take care of yourself and pray for me as well. Thank you very much for your time. Allah Hafiz.